Intertools is the first value comparison site. In today's video, we have the DeWalt D25899K LX demolition hammer. Links in the description below. Let's get into today's video. This 110 volts demolition hammer from DeWalt is a superb addition to any tradesman's toolbox, as it remains a powerful yet lightweight breaker with an inline design for better handling, and quick change chisel adjustment for a fast orientation of the chisel through the 12 preset positions. The large oversized hammer mechanism delivers extreme durability and excellent concrete breaking performance. Its ergonomic inline design ensures user comfort during any application, while its compact streamlined design allows access in confined areas. The inline design allows for better handling, while the quick change chisel adjustment allows fast orientation of the chisel through 12 preset positions. The modular design also makes for quick access to key components, allowing for faster and cheaper servicing. The specifications include the following. The hand or arm vibration is 12 meters per second squared. The uncertainty K1 vibration is 1.5 meters per second. The sound pressure is 86 decibels. The uncertainty K1 sound is 3 decibels. The acoustic pressure is 100 decibels. And the uncertainty K2 sound is 3 decibels. It has a voltage of 110 volts. The power input is 1500 watts. And the power output is 750 watts. The blows per minute is 2040. The impact energy is 25 joules. It has a tool holder SDS Max. The length is 650mm and a height of 250mm, and the product weighs 9.6 kg. DeWalt Industrial Tool Company is a worldwide manufacturer of power tools and hand tools for the construction, manufacturing and woodworking industries, as well as DIY. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.